Hey y'all, sorry I'm uploading a little bit later than usual, so if you guys see this late, I uploaded it Wednesday, February 19th, 2025. Let's get into it then, shall we? Hey guys, what's up? Oh shit, excuse me. Guys, what's up? It's been a while, 2 weeks, 13 days actually. Yeah, I had to take a little break, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling a little bit back to it again. I was trying to build a team so we can all do something this year, and I digress. Fuck it, I'm running a little bit late. We're on our way to Fort Bliss Rod and Gun Club. I'm gonna be shooting the Glock 40, no, the Glock 22, I'm sorry, and the Mossberg 308. I'm gonna try to double shell load that shit. I didn't have enough time to buy oil to lube up the pistol because I really wanted to air rack that son of a bitch after watching PewView and after watching Civilian Tactical as well. After watching their videos of how they air rack the pistol, I kind of want to do that, but I needed a lot of lubricant and I didn't have time for that. So yeah, we're on the freeway. I'm gonna let it go for now. I don't want to get stopped. See you when I see you right now. Peace out. Dookie. Hey, we're here again. So we're here at the Fort Bliss Rod and Gun Club. Solo. So I was clear with y'all. Oh yeah. Ain't she a beauty? Some slugs, some bucks, maybe even some bird. Range is hot. Got Toby Maguire right there. See if I got it. It's a bitch to load a Glock, especially the last 2 rounds. Fuck over your thumb. Range is hot. Range clear. Go ahead, it's clear. To move them. I have some range buddies down in my range. Did a number on cardboard. Regular cardboard, no target. My aim is getting more better and immaculate. Hit the fucking pistol. Look at that shit. Still shit. Still shit. Mr. Toby Maguire. Filled him full of fucking lead. Look at that. Look at that. Spacings are small. I would have to say that this could be a little bit smaller from here to here. But Look at these two. I'm small, miss smaller. That's how it is. Haven't shot that one yet. So we're out here right now, Fort Bliss gun range, guys. We got military, government officials, police units, and civilian life on that side. And as far down as that way as I can see, we got military, special forces, and government. We're all shooting out here. We're all getting crazy. But yeah, guys, I had been gone for about 2 weeks roughly. I had to take a little break. I kind of feel better. Kind of feel real better. Ain't gonna bullshit you. I've been trying to double load that shotgun with the speed reload like Keanu Reeves does in his training. It's gonna take me a few years to do that. I'm out here solo right now, so I have to transition between shooting and camera work. Kind of a little bit of a pain, but for those of you who are new to that type of game, you'll kind of surely get used to it. However, right now I'm gonna reload the pistol again. I'm gonna get this guy that I haven't shot. I'm gonna try to get this guy who's trying to rape that woman right there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. See, to be honest, that's the 14th and the 15th fucking bullet that the company who makes Glock needs to kind of loosen that spring up a little bit so we can get these last two in there. Ranger's hot! Ranger's hot! And I think I ripped my pants again. Like in the movie Speed with Keanu Reeves, take out the hostage and you'll take out the guy behind him. Shit, fucking took out her arm. Hey, my friend Toby. Slug, 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 buck, a whole lot of bird. Headshot, headshot, finger, heart, lung, liver, I'm gonna say fucking gut shot. Damn nice. Should get stuck. So I'm low with the shotgun, a little bit low with the pistol at first. What followed came more accurate. Hit him right there in the legs. Bam. And the last gun I'm shooting is a Glock. Try to get 2 shots off him, 2 shots off that one, and 2 shots off that one. Okay, so I freaking missed this guy with those 2 shots. My camera wasn't functioning right, didn't record at all. I hit him here and I missed there. I hit there and I missed there out of everything else. Let's see what's up with my French Toby. Where did I miss and where did I hit? Oh, damn, I fucked them up. So I got the 1 shot there and the 1 shot there. 1 shot there and the 1 shot there. Honestly, this guy was the most furthest away from me, and I actually did more damage with him with the Glock than I ever did to any other target I actually shot at. It's fucking crazy. This guy was closer, and I didn't even hit him. I got 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Damn, I was still off. Gotta still practice some more, guys. Well, that's it for today, guys. See you on the next. Y'all be safe.